Alright, just a quick video of cleaning the rocker panels inside here, and it's not too hard. So I took my shop vac, modified it to some of this half-inch irrigation tubing, and then I just did some fittings and kind of just a little modification to the vac. That way it's flexible hose, small enough to get in the holes. So I started coming in here at the kick panel, and I fished it down through here, and it had kept going, and we're good to go. And then it stopped right about here. There's like a weld edge that I just couldn't get past. And so when I first started, I was sucking on it. It would suck coming this way, and then I just reversed the shot back to a blow, and then blew as much as I can out. Worked pretty good. And then just so that, I don't know if I can get a video of this in here. Let's see here if I can get something in there, light or something. Nope, that's not gonna work. Anyway, so then now to go the opposite way, I can blow it that way, because that way is a bigger opening. So if there's any other debris that's at the end here, and that just fits perfectly right inside that hole right there. And then we can get here too as well. So there's two cavities that I think I know of. There's one cavity here and here. This is the main one that goes all the way down, and to be honest, I don't know where that one goes. I think it's just this exterior section here. It might be a two-piecer, I'm not too sure. So here's a piece, and here's a piece, and I think this is all the way down through. But anyway, this tube fits in both of those holes, and you can get that away in there. And then here, the other side, there's your flap, which I need to replace. This old rubber flap that comes down and covers this drain hole. It just keeps debris from getting in there. So I bought some new ones. I'm going to replace those. Anyway, so you just start it with a suck, and then blow, and then kind of get the debris to go back and forth and collect it at the ends, and that's it. So seems to be working pretty good. Let me see if I can get the flashlight shine in there again to show you how clean it is in there. So there's no debris. Where's the flashlight? No debris in there, which is really good. I thought there was a rat nest and all kinds of crazy stuff in there. Let's see here. It's not too bad. Oh, here we go. It does go through, so that's pretty cool. Let's see here. There we go. You can see way back in there. And the video gets it because it can't focus. Oh, crap. I'll try the other one. So you can get it pretty good. You can get it all nice and clean. You know what? Let me pause for a second. All right, I stuck a light on the other side, so you can see the light on the other side there. And then shut my light. This video sucks. Sorry, guys. But anyway, that was not too bad. So, I'll do a quick video of the other side just to show that it's clean in there. But that's how you do it.